natitira naman sa last slowdown.
Well, as much as possible, siyempre, gusto mo i-preserve yung kalamangan mo. Lamang ka ng 9 points, 10 points going into the final 6 minutes of the game. You want to waste as much time then, di ba? Old school, balik tayo sa old school. Luckily, nakakakuha kami ng mga clutch baskets now going into the final seconds of each possession. And again, ano na rin, pinaramdam namin sa JRU yung backward pressure. Now, we tried to eliminate Kagoko from the game. May na-score ba, Kagoko? Foul shots lang. Foul shots lang.
All throughout.
All throughout. I sacrificed Kelvin De La Peña to man Kagoko while the other 4 players hold their spots in their defensive alignment. So, sakripisyo si Kelvin sa depensa. At the same time, he was able to contribute on the offensive end.
Describe your win. Gano'n ka hirap? From going from 5-5.
Kanina
From 6-5 yata.
5-5.
5-5 up to now.
9-5. So, 4 na dikit na panalo. So, medyo nag-alangan kami against PCU pa. No? Biruin mo naman, after beating San Beda, sasabit ka sa Binil. Tapos, maalangan ka sa PCU, then you'll have a good game against Letran, then you'll have a good game against Perpetual. Going into this game, kanina, I told the players, sabi ko, just maintain or improve your character the way you've been playing, mananalo kayo easily. Now, parang may hesitation pa, may pagdududa pa yung mga players, pero sabi ko, maniwala kayo, yung linalaro nyo ngayon, kahit sino itapat sa inyo, makakamatch up kayo.
Plus, din yung pag-ibig Kelvin,
medyo, no? Ang reports nga, magandang ini-ensayo niya sa Alaska. At the moment, ongoing pa NCAA, hindi yata pa pwedeng i-grant ng contract, no? Pero it's up to Alaska. The kids been dedicating this time talaga sa pag-improve ng basketball niya. And totoo yun, yung observation niya. From the time na na-drop siya ng Alaska, parang naging loose siya eh. Iba yung kumpiyansa niya ngayon eh, no? And alam niya na after this NCAA career, pupunta siya sa professional ranks.